Here at the Aquatic Global Change Ecology and Conservation Group, we are collating information on the ecological traits of albacore prey species that relate to the predation process, including habitat use, behavioral and morphological traits. Of the 233 prey species identified in the diets of albacore through a global review effort, the vast majority were oceanic or offshore continental shelf taxa and occurred in epi to mesopelagic ecosystems. While some were benthic or demersal, it's likely that daily vertical migration of species in and out of the water column in search of prey or shelter could bring them into contact with albacore. Predator avoidance based on the use of physical structures was uncommon, and as was the presence of physical defences, with many being soft-bodied prey. Fusiform and elongated were the dominant body shapes among albacore prey species. But we need some way to scientifically triage the importance of these traits against each other. So we are combining prey use information from albacore diet data with trait information as a function of the environmental gradients sampled. By building statistical models that integrate multiple relational arrays of information, we can identify the key trait to environment relationships beyond species-level changes in diets. Through this process, we aim to develop trait-based indicators for predator diet changes. For example, some traits may be conserved from the perspective of albacore tuna hunting and encountering them, whilst others may be more indicative of changing ecosystems. We are working in that space of trait triage, identifying which ones are static versus dynamic, which can be used to assess predator diet shifts in relation to changing climate states moving forward.